It's February. The air is crisp, the sun is warm, and you can just feel spring creeping in. It's days like these that make me want to be outside, soaking up the beauty and letting my creativity flow. And today, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm spending the day with my sketchbook, exploring the magic of intuitive ink drawing. And I want to invite you to join me. This is my sketchbook from 2023. It's my safe space, my playground. It's where I come to experiment, to explore, and to simply let go. And the best part, anyone can start one. These are botanical ink drawing with some natural leaves and flowers from my garden. They have dried over time, changing colors to muted greens and earth browns. Inks, flowers and leaves work beautifully with each other. Some are coffee stained and patterns mingled with black sumi ink. Let's get down to today's ink drawings. I am making art on watercolor sketchbook with markers and black ink. Let's get started. I will show you how easy it is to experiment and make art with most basic art supplies like inks and markers. Now, I'm going to add some black ink patterns, letting my intuition guide me. I have no preconceived idea of what the final piece will look like. I'm just going to start drawing and see what emerges. There's something so magical about this process. As you draw, new patterns and designs seem to appear almost out of nowhere. It's like the ink has a mind of its own. Following your intuition in art is so powerful. It does two key things. First, it allows your unique ideas and perspectives to come to life on the page. You're not trying to copy something, you're creating something entirely your own. Second, it helps you develop your artistic voice. You start to understand what resonates with you, what you find beautiful, what feels right. And look at that, these shapes are starting to look like flowers. I love the way the ink is creating a beautiful gradation of color. And here it is. I'm actually really happy with how this is turning out. I love the contrast between the organic shapes and the intricate patterns. I am making simple broken line pattern with pink marker to kind of balance the composition. Organic ink patterns with some basic shapes and colors is giving playful vibe to this artwork. Sometimes, you might create something you don't absolutely love, and that's okay. It's all part of the process. The important thing is to keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep learning. Now, let's try something different. I'm going to start with some basic shapes and then build patterns around them with ink. This is a great way to experiment and see what works and what doesn't. Two completely different ink drawings. both born from intuition and a little bit of experimentation. I encourage you to start your own calligraphy sketchbook with me. You'll be amazed at the artistic creativity you'll discover within yourself. Just by doing this for 21 days, you'll develop the habit of using your sketchbook and understand how creative you are. Here I am drawing some shapes overlaid on each other. No particular outcome in mind, just drawing and trying to make various elements work with each other in this artwork. Next, I will make calligraphic dots and see how they mingle with these colorful shapes. This kind of background can be absolutely stunning for your calligraphy. Imagine writing your name, a favorite verse, or a piece of poetry over these patterns. The contrast between the delicate calligraphy and the vibrant colors will be breathtaking. So, there you have it, 2 completely different ink drawings. Both born from intuition and a little bit of experimentation. So, grab a sketchbook, some ink, and let your creativity run wild. Don't be afraid to experiment, to make mistakes, and most importantly, to have fun. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more creative ideas for your sketchbook. These ideas can be applied to different art styles other than Arabic calligraphy. These can be used to make watercolor art, abstract art, or simple intuitive artworks. Art is universal, you cannot confine it to one style. Experiment, and play with tools and styles of art from different genres, and you will be amazed by its vastness and similarities. Start your first sketchbook with simple tools like inks and markers and a watercolor sketchbook. You will enjoy the process and discover your own creative style in the process. Like and subscribe for more ideas of developing the habit of sketchbook.